So this is lab 2, and this is the one where we are loading in navigations through MVC. So we have a style navigation here that these list items are being loaded in through an MVC process. We also have an H1 here and a header, and then we also have a footer. So a quick look at the code on how this is working. We have our default controller, which is set to go to navigation. And when that happens inside of the navigation class, we have a navigation array being built, these are the values of the list items. And then we have these calls to get view. And then these are located in the views folder. And in the app controller is where the getView function is located, and since navigation extends app controller, we have all the same functionality, so I'm able to access this method that pulls the page and the array that I can or cannot pass it to the view. And then in the view we have the header, and which has the beginning of the doc type and all the styling, as well as the link to any sort of external style sheets. In this case, we're just doing Google Fonts. And then we have the navigation, which has the nav bar that's located at the top, and here is where we are actually inserting our PHP. So you can insert PHP directly into HTML when there is the .php extension. And what this is doing is it's taking the data array that we passed into this view when we called it from the controller, and it's saying for each piece of information in that array, send to here and output into list items. And then we also have the footer, which closes out our site, as well as our closing statement.